Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to convert any video to MP4. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you. Let's begin. In order to convert any video to MP4, open Mp4. There is a link in the description to download Mp4 for free. Click on Video. You can see I have 3 video files in different formats. Select and drag all your video files to Mp4. To convert your video to MP4 format, click on Popular and select MP4. You can also click on Target Format, then go to Common Video Profiles section and select General Video. Select the H.264 codec. This codec supports hardware acceleration, which enable you to convert your videos to MP4 format faster. Select High Video Quality and click on Done. You can choose to rename the files by clicking on the pencil icon. Click on Browse and select your preferred output folder. Now, make sure you select Hardware Acceleration in order to render your files faster. Click on Run and wait for your videos to be converted to MP4 format. After the conversion is complete, click on Open to see all converted video files in the output folder. As you can see, my videos have been converted successfully to MP4 video format. So, that is how you convert any video to MP4. Thanks for watching. Please, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you.